I got a wig on 1688. It's a 10-inch wig. Some box of items are imported on 1688 and Pinduoduo. I'm so happy. Like, these two things together is 3 kg. Can you imagine? Like, this is 2 kg and this is 1 kg. It's not up to 1, but they had to round it up. So let's see what is inside. I can't remember some of the things I got, but let's open and see. I'm going to open the smaller package first. The microphone. Customers that ordered on pre-order. Android and the Type-C. Yeah. I think I know what this is. It's an influencer light. Let's see if it's working. Can't really see the effects because of the natural light, but it is working. Someone pre-ordered this from me. I do pre-order, by the way, because shipping fee is so expensive now. So anything you want on pre-order, send me a DM. You can also join my importation class for 5,000 queries. Yeah. Oh, I'm already obsessed. I've never seen them. Okay. These are rings. These are earrings. Earrings are yeah. I thought this was going to be bigger, but it looks smaller in real life. See, next. Wow, this looks too big. It's giving almost a leather. I wanted to wear this for my harvest though. I didn't bring it on time. It's giving Davido. It's giving Whiskey. It's giving Burna Boy. Who doesn't love a new iPhone case? I know I do. So cute case. Pink or black. 2 favorite case colors. Good quality. It's time for the big box. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Okay. I'm too excited for this box. My sister's birthday is coming up and I got these items for her as birthday gift because she loves shoes and bags. What is this? Hey, I thought this was going to come in a box. I guess I didn't ask the right questions. Look at it. What is inside? Mini purse and the strap. This is the purse. I'm so happy for this bag. And another bag. See the bag. Look, oh, this bag is so cute, guys. And it smells so good. This is the strap. Guys, the quality of this bag is giving rich auntie. I just landed from the UK. Happiness where you buy quality items. Unmatched. Size 41. This is my own. I got this is for my sister. It's the gold one and it's so cute. Oh, it's giving quality. Join my class. Come and learn how to import quality items. Import quality. Another set of jewelry. Please, I am officially a loop ambassador. Loop earrings. I'm obsessed with small loop earrings. They are so nice. Join my class now. I've been anticipating this package. Are you guys what is inside? Are you guys? If you know me, you are supposed to know what is inside this already. Okay, so this is my first time buying this thing from 1688. I won't lie to you, I was scared. It's a 10-inch wig. So wig cap and size. What am I saying though? Again, I did not make my hair. It's so soft. It's giving. And it smells so good. This is a bob wig. If you want to learn how to get quality items, I got this on Pinduoduo. I got this on 1688. Also got this on 1688. If you want to learn how to import items like this, like look at this now. Look at this quality. There's none of these items that is what I ordered versus what I got to. Like send me a DM. Join my importation class now. Okay. Bye. See you in the next video.